The My Company screen is a conglomeration of a couple of different things. On the top third of it is the information about your company, its name, address, phone numbers, etc. And this information appears in the estimate report that you give to the customer. Also, when you back up your database, it backs up to this email address, and when you make you email a estimate summary, it also goes to that same email address. On the lower left is the terms, or you can use it for anything you want, but commonly you would use it for terms of your estimates. So you can have multiple templates. You choose the one you want, and you can choose different templates here. Or also, if you go to the print screen and the print format options, also you can choose the same template from here. But the template you choose from the print screen has more information. It has the image that you choose for that template, in other words, which logo or image you use at the top of the screen, orientation of the paper, whether it's landscape or portrait, and the size of the paper. And you can use different words for the estimate. You want to call it a proposal or various things you could call an estimate. It wouldn't necessarily be called estimate. It could be called proposal. There's different words I'm sure you are aware of that you can choose. You can choose the size of the text for the header, the body, and the terms. If there's a signature, it should be on the left or right. If the image is left or right, and which logo are you using. So the logo or the template is powerful because you can have different templates for different customers, different logos, different text, different page formatting in general. So you choose there's two ways to choose the template. One is from the My Company screen here, and also, as I just showed you, from the print format screen and the estimate. Got to do from the estimate screen. So for a given estimate that you're creating, you pick the logo or template, which may be a different logo, has different formatting. You can change the appearance by using different templates of their estimate report. To the bottom right is a list of estimators, people that do the estimate. So if you want those to appear in the estimate, you pick the name of the estimator. And you add estimator names by clicking the plus button and editing. So for a given estimate, we have this estimate. If we click the right arrow here, here's the estimator column on the estimate screen. Whatever date, if you whatever you assign an estimator, that will be the date that is assigned to the estimate. So the My Company screen is really three different things: information about your company, the address, contact information, estimator people that do the estimates, and terms or template selection. Oh, there's also the estimate summary. Estimate summary is hard to see on the screen here, but there's items that you'd want to keep track of for your own records of an estimate. You wouldn't give this to the customer, but it shows your material cost, shows your markup values, your profit, in other words, and taxes and markup. All that information, labors that you put into the estimate, all goes into this screen. You can email or print it directly. So that's another way to keep track of your estimates beyond what you would just give to the customer. So that's basically the My Company tab.